Assalamu alaikum everyone. You are watching Travel with Qamar Saeed YouTube channel. Today I wanna show you some beautiful views in Switzerland. If you like this natural beauty, this view, this location, then write your opinion in comment box and like my video and share with your relatives. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.